Hey everyone. Hey, so I'm feeling just a little bit under the weather today. So we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna just narrate today's video. I wasn't really up for doing a face-to-face video like I typically do. Of course, that didn't stop me from just showing 2.5 plates of Thanksgiving food. So either A, I'm on the upswing of things, or B, Thanksgiving cooking works miracles. Whichever way you want to look at it. If you guys celebrate Thanksgiving, hope you had a good one. Whatever you do believe in, I hope you guys had a good day on Thursday. With that being said, today's specimen of review is going to be the Jordan 1 Chicago. I once was lost and now I was found. No, the Chicago Lost and Founds. These just recently dropped about a week ago or so at this point. A ton of hype, ton of stock. Hope you guys managed to cop. I'm gonna quickly just kind of blaze through the review of the shoe as fast I can. There are some details I do want to talk about, but of course the main meat and potatoes of today's video is how I personally would style these using color theory. Now, of course, with any type of shoe, I do love a presentation. So let's go ahead and look at the box real quick. So it's a 2-piece Nike box. You have that age orange color, the distressing with the Nike and the swoosh on here. Open up the box and you are greeted with a tissue paper that is kind of made to look like a newspaper article for the shoes, which I thought is a really good touch and goes very, very well with the theme. There's 2 pairs of laces in here. There's a white color pair of laces as well as a black color pair of laces. I went with the black because I love contrast. Looking at the shoe, so the shoe is trichromatic. You have a red, you have a black, and you have like a sail aged white color, if you will. Material-wise, rubber, a little bit of nylon, and also leather is what this shoe is comprised of, okay? Now breaking down the shoe, we start out with the nylon tongue. I put in the black laces, as I mentioned, crisscrossing, weaving through the eyelet holes. Down at the toe box, you have the perforated toe box with a cracked leather pattern. And again, just to kind of accentuate the, hey, these shoes are very, very aged and worn, and this is what they would, quote, look like, unquote. Again, it's all about the theme. The mid panel of the upper, more of that cracked white leather. In contrast, you have that black Nike swoosh. The ankle collar, whoa, boy, this part here, man. Okay, so here's the thing. So you have that crack pattern that's up, but you could have either received a shoe or you may have received a botany project for mold, because apparently there were some people's shoes that had actual true mold growing on them. And that's dangerous because, let someone, inhale an aerosolized particle or they're immunocompromised or whatever like that, and they sporulated an internal infection with this. Oh, that's bad. I'm not sure what happened to the quality control with Nike with these, but that is not something that needs to be lost and found. That needs to be there. Nah, that's gotta be there, man. That could be bad. Anyways, though, moving to the back of the shoe, there's nothing really to talk about on the back. The midsole, rubber, outsole, rubber, air unit inside the shoe. The outsole too kind of has like some kind of grayishy looking coloration to it. And again, it's to make it look aged, but I would imagine it will look more like a smudgy black, but that's just me. As far as sizing, as I mentioned earlier in the video, true to size, 9.5, boom. Okay, now let's go ahead and get to the styling portion using colors. Now, I enjoy using the color wheel, okay? There's 2 different types of colors that I will look at as far as how I like to style my fits. So 1 is complementary and 2 is analogous, all right? So we're gonna start out with the complementary colors, and the complementary color to red is going to be green, all right? And I pick from red because red seems to be kind of the more, dominant color in these shoes. So of course, what is gonna be opposite of that? Green, all right? So this right here is gonna be my personal favorite fit right here. So these pants, these are flared cargo pants if you've seen my videos before, you've seen the pants, honestly, and the sweatshirt plenty times. Ruben Cohn are the pants, Amy Leon Dore is gonna be the sweatshirt, all right? I love this fit. This fit, I don't care what anybody says, this is a perfect fit for this shoe. Reason being why is because not only do you have colors that are complement to the shoe, you have the green of the pants, and you also have some green in there with the shirt too as well, the Amy Leon Dore print. Not only that, the wash of the pants and like that kind of oatmeal-y pattern in the shirt it gives off a very vintagey tone just from the shirt and the pants in of itself. I don't think you really appreciate it, but there is a little bit of distressing in the pants too as well. It really insinuates that aged vintage look, which is obviously the theme of the shoe. So not only do you have the colors that work with the shoe, you have the themes that works with the shoe, and that's why I love this fit right here, man. But I know what some of you guys are gonna say. Hayes, you know, you can't really see the shoe. You have, you know, the pants covering up most of it. I understand, I get that. So to still kind of go along with the theme of complementary colors and a little bit of that vintage look, change up some pants here. I forgot where I got these pants, but they're kind of like a foresty green cargo pant. But yeah, these are obviously, you know, a lot slimmer pants that you can fit into the shoe itself. Therefore, you can see all of the shoe's glory, but you get the theme though. You guys get the idea of what I'm going for, all right? The green being complementary, and the fit kind of have that aged vintagey look to it, all right? And honestly, you can play a lot around with, you know, the cut of pants. I know I said I'm going to be working on cuts more through this year, but just kind of give an idea of what I'm talking about. You guys have seen what flared pants over the shoe looks like. You guys see what skinny pants into the shoe looks like. And here, right here, are gonna be some green corduroy pants from PacSun that slightly kind of go over it. They're slim fit. So again, you guys can kind of see some ideas of what playing around with the colors, complementary colors in this aspect, as well as the cut's gonna look like, okay? Now the next kind of theme is going to be analogous colors, all right? And that is gonna be colors that are gonna be right next to red. So whether it's kind of like a, you know, red, yellow, and then like maybe yellow, orange, or red, you know, etc. Like those kind of hot colors to make like a theme. So these pants right here, they came from Enfim LA. And if you have seen one of our great musical talents of this generation's video with Lil Dicky, you have probably seen these pants in the past somewhere before. Just saying. These next two pants, I'm gonna be orange. One's more of a lighter orange. This one is gonna be from Greg Lauren. These are one of my favorite pair of pants too as well. The details, just love the little studs that go up the inner pant leg. These are just dope. I'm sorry, these are just dope. These other pair of pants, these are by Amy Leon Dore. This is more of like a burnt orange color. This is, yeah, I would say this is a little bit more of a burnt orange color than the jacket, but I just can't really think of another way to describe it. But you guys get the theme here. Colors that are analogous, all right? They kind of have that same temperature to it. They're very warm, all right? Very warm color scheme here going through, okay? I wonder too in retrospect if maybe I should have a black shirt. I wonder if the white maybe did a little too much, a little extra pop in the chest area when the jacket is especially, you know, zipped up. But hey, again, look at the theme of what I'm trying to go for here. That's gonna be an important part. Hopefully this will allow you guys to play with you guys' fits for just clothes in general, honestly. It doesn't even have to be this shoe. Just kind of think about, hey, these colors, you know, these colors match because, you know, they may be, you know, complementary, or they may be analogous. I'm trying to make a theme to it. It doesn't always have to be like a, all right, I have to wear something, you know, with red, you know, all the way through it or whatever like that. And that doesn't mean, you know, that fit is gonna be boring or anything like that, excuse me. I'm just letting you know that, hey, these are the other possibilities out there. That's really all I'm trying to do. With that being said though, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I really hope you guys appreciate it. If you guys learned something too, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys thought about these fits. You know, which one looked better? Was it the analogous color fits? Was it the complementary color fits? Do you guys like it when it was, you know, flared and over the shoe, or skinny, you know, kind of tucked in it, or slim just over it? You know, let me know what you guys are feeling and thinking. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for more content. The handle's at drhayes91. That will be put in the description box down too as well. Hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next video.